chase that bag, yo. Yeah, clean your rag, yo. Yeah, pull out those stacks, yo. Yeah, go pop a tag, yo. Put that shit all in the bag, yo. I don't care if you bought a bag, bitch. You put your little bag in the bag.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jay Sex. We back here with another video, man. We're playing the game. First game of the season. You feel me? First game of the season, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Watch this nigga. Hey.
Well, let's show it off. I can't dunk.
I'm about to get up, bro. Hey. Hold on. Let me get up there. I don't know what the fuck we doing. We waiting on these niggas.
They'll be here in a second, I guess.
Hey. This mic is so, bro, it's not working. The mic. I'm talking about the mic. Hey.
It's coming shit in here, bro.
Shit. I got two too. Fuck it.
You mid?
Oh. I tried to roll it, bro. Huh?
He missed his first layup. You didn't even read. So did you.
Nah, I don't. Hey. Is that them?
I guess that's him.
Them?
I guess that's him. What the fuck? Let's switch over here.
You finna bust their ass, bro. Hey! God. Nigga, damn. Hold on. Hey!
I put that bitch like on both. That whole shirt's down.
I don't got the right shirt on for this shit. On me. I should have switched my shirts. But we good though.
You?
We good. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Hey, oh, damn. So?
I want to dunk that bitch. Oh, shit. That ball is slippery as shit.
We got switch sides, bro.
Nah, for real.
Nigga, we look shitty.
For him?
Uh-oh. Hey, shit. God damn, nigga. Damn. God damn.
Up every time.
Hello. Hey, twin. You coming like that?
Up every time.
Damn, bro. That nigga caught them. No, for real.
What do you think?
We only got two people.
You didn't hit the rim though.
Hey.
I got the
It's game time. It's game time. Hold on. Watch out. I'm doing my shit. Bro, who's starting, bro? I know you starting, nigga. Yeah, I'm gonna say who's starting, bro? I'm up.
How you doing the jump? We want to do a jump. How we do rotation or who wants to be captain or every 5 minutes? That's for the 5 minutes, just one in, one out, or what do you want to do?
Don't matter. Who wants to start?
Yeah, I don't think we worry about not winning.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go. Yeah.
That's fine. Come on.
I'm gonna get TJ.
We straight.
I got 8.
Alright, bet. We up here with it. Hey, no, let me go ahead. Alright, y'all, we chillin'. We in there and they gonna send them on my mic neither. Huh?
Take it easy on the man.
Alright. You jumping? Alright. He said he gonna jump.
I only got. Ah, shit.
Hey.
They fucked up.
We up in here. Hey, y'all.
Where the hell, like,
First game of the
TJ,
season.
OG on them at?
Let's get straight to it, no cap, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all can hear me. I know y'all can hear this bitch ass nigga named Chris. Hey. You already know what it is, man. Y'all already know what type of timing we on. Let's get straight into it, man. We finna fuck these boys up. Let's get it going. Come on. Try white. Damn. We coolin'. Oh, I thought you was gonna get it. Oh yeah. Trey.
Damn, Mark.
Damn, what the fuck we doing? Oh, same team, we good. You got 8, I got 9. I'll get 9. Oh yeah, we out. Oh, yes, you say. Yes, you say. Oh, you good. It's good, bro. It's straight, bro. I got 7, bro.
Hello? Hello?
Yup. Oh.
Hey, y'all can come go long. You hear me?
Oh, shit. We didn't even see, bro.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
No, we just started.
All right.
I love you.
I'm right here. Hey, these niggas
Hey, y'all don't score.
sparked that hoe. Damn. Hey, what we doing, y'all? Yup. Hey, good D, bro. Alright, let me turn and pay out for it though. Who's that bullshit? Hey, You good, bro? You good, bro? You good, bro? Oh, hell no.
He smoked too much. He had a bread.
Hey, so we just go 4 in, keep going in.
What you doing?
About every 5 minutes or what?
Should get that to me. Oh. Oh. His ass is too tired.
No type of money. They finally did.
You good now? It's dead ball. Let's say it.
Oh my God. I thought they were gonna be breaking this.
You gotta shoot first.
These niggas are sorry. Damn.
That's you, Chris.
Ah, he off. Come on, bruh. Come on. Hey. That's all you doing? Hold on. Hey! Yeah. Hey, good shit. Oh, fuck. I lost it. I lost it, man. Hey, bro, come on, bro. I know, I lost it, though. That way. It's on the floor.
I waited and then got it.
Come over here. Oh, shit. What? Yo. Ain't no way they called that, bro.
You're mine.
Huh? He off, bro. We still living.
Hurry up. My way.
Okay, I was gonna say.
I didn't touch him.
I didn't know if he was gonna call that trap or what.
Hey!
Give me next switch.
Shit. Alright, let's put it on the sofa. you. Throw it. You finna throw it. Hello. Hey, yo. Hey, this shit lit, bro. Hey, this shit lit, bro. Oh, yeah, Chris. I want one more. Hold on. Hey. Yeah. Come on. Go ahead, bro. Damn. Hey, good shit, son. Hey, bro, I should have made that dunk. I ain't gonna lie. Which one mine?
It's fine.
Yeah. That's gonna be one easy ass season.
Yeah, we don't get 100, we're at.
Yeah.
Them niggas better not get
Them niggas better not get 20.
backboard tackle. I was surprised.
Hey, that big, Chris.
That bitch Chris.
Hold on.
Okay then.
Oh.
Oh, damn. You
Damn.
good, bro? Keep shooting. Hey, take.
Hey, bro, do some flashy shit. Do some crazy shit. Something.
Oh, yeah, defense. How's up? Easy. Damn.
Damn.
It's a goal. It's a rail up there.
What up with you, bro?
It's a rail up there.
Turbo. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, big boy. Oh, yeah, slide your feet in, boy. Oh, damn.
Hell no. You got
Hey,
push?
nigga, wait. Why they got an overseas player on their team?
Who?
Nigga, KJ. That's what I'm saying. And
OG. Yeah. Never mind. I thought bro was gonna hit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. These niggas are ass. These niggas are terrible, bro. Hey, smack that shit. These niggas ass, bro. There you go. Hey. Oh no. Chris. Give me that. Oh.
Man, go get Jay.
So not.
David. Zo.
These niggas your ass out, nigga. He said get out, nigga.
This big ass. We going at the same time, bro.
Yeah, we all going in.
I ain't glad it been big as hell. Do we gotta wear this?
Yeah.
Look, if I ain't get it, he wouldn't have got the ball down the court.
I call Marshall. Oh, shit.
Zoomed out. It's it. Zoomed out. There you go. Hey, these niggas. I ain't gonna lie, chat. These niggas terrible, bro.
Gonna take your ass.
You can use it this one, or you can zoom in and out with this.
Which one is yours? This one?
Yeah,
I got used to that.
How long? Chris, go.
Damn!
If you don't go up, bro. Ugh. that on him?
Hey, when we going?
I don't know. Y'all want to go at 5? You want to go now?
I'll say
3? All right. Who we leaving in?
we just gonna rotate group.
Yeah. All right.
That's us. Y'all wanna go at like 2? So that way we can play third, second half.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. Go in there too? Hell yeah. Who we leaving in? Who we leaving in? Yeah, all right, all right.
What are you doing?
Hey y'all. I thought we was gonna play some at least some type of good niggas. Nah, I'm saying, bro, get a windmill 360. Bruh, I slipped, bro. I don't got no grip on these shoes. I know, bro. Oh God.
Gotta hit you with dog.
I'm gonna get a dunk, bro. I'm gonna get a dunk. Next time I get a break, I'm gonna dunk it. Man, these niggas terrible, bro. Look at this nigga. You wanna be a point guard so bad. He ass. Nigga ass. 7, he's just old, bro. He was good in his old days, back in the way back. That nigga, nah, he ain't good now. Ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Who? Chris, you gotta do something, bro. You mic'd up. You gotta do something, twin. Yeah, give me that. Damn. Give me that.
I think Drake Harden's water. Hey, sponsor me, chat.
Sponsored by Life Water. Life Water. Life Water.
Don't dunk that joint. Dunk it.
Yeah, Chris. Hey! There you go.
White boy messed up.
I got ball.
I'm taking balls. They said, hey, y'all cheat.
Oh yeah, Chris.
Yeah, Chris. Nah, real.
He gonna come get me. He gonna tap me like this. I said, who? Me?
That nigga terrible. Gary? You wanna go? Y'all wanna go right now?
Moving around.
Come on. Come on. We all coming in. We all coming in. We all coming in. Come on. All right. Come on. We all going in. All right.
Everybody.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, no, 3.
We got 6. Who off? We all on. Are you in? All right. Oh shit.
Alright, damn.
Game night.
This one? I keep going to the rim. They keep grabbing my arm, bro.
Shit hurts.
Hey, Tayshawn got like fucking 25.
Oh, damn, Marty. Damn, Marty.
Huh? Terrible shooters.
Hey, let me get. Never mind, you good. Pick up ball, Jay. Yup. Oh. Hey, oh my God.
Oh, we got Tayshawn.
Did I build a super team chat?
What? Why? Yes. We can finish play with last year. Really?
Oh, man.
Yeah. I didn't know that. You played on our team last year. I got a block.
Oh. Damn.
Hey, shit.
Uh-oh. Hey.
This shit right here, man.
Did I build a super team chat? I don't even gotta do that, y'all. I can say I'm probably getting carried, but nigga, I don't even do that. Oh yeah. On that rim. Oh damn. Hey, oh shit. He almost broke the damn goal. Uh-oh. Hey, windmill?
They
Hey,
scared
Tay,
the Gardner, man.
windmill? Hello. Hello. Windmill? Hey, windmill's
Talk about. Ah, damn.
I tried to pull it with one hand. I was trying to get out here on the backside. I was going.
Hey, bro.
Oh, you know it'd be hard.
On the back.
Jalen, you throw the first line off the backboard. I'm gonna catch that bitch off the backboard.
We're gonna hit. Okay, bet. Fuck.
Hey,
I can't
no
get
grabbing
it.
the rim.
Don't hold it.
No holding the rim.
I got you. Oh, we good? He said go.
What, grab the rim?
He said go. Uh-oh. Hey! Hey!
Ah, damn.
Oh, fuck. Okay. Huh? I knew it was yours before you did Oh, my God. Come on, ref. Come on, man. Oh, okay. I got
We're gonna get 100. We're gonna hit 100. Probably. I'm finna shoot my lights out. That's what I've been doing.
I see him.
Go.
Hit from this.
Start taking shots.
We can shoot.
Oh, shit. Get up. Oh, okay, good luck.
When he passed me,
You really trolling, bro.
First one I did, I didn't know I was that fucking close, but I looked up when I went up. I'm like, fucking out.
Like I just sit there and watch the ball. So that's probably my biggest.
I didn't know I was that fucking close.
Oh, shit. Hey!
I was knocking down, bro. It was some bullshit,
Hey, bro. I better do
The weight's like 140, 130.
I wasn't either. Nah, he off.
Oh.
We good. Let me give me a bucket, bro. Damn.
You put icy hot on. You did,
bro.
Yeah, I was to say, I know that's enough for a reach.
Oh,
I'll probably get number 5 out.
I'm gonna start shooting. Fuck that. Huh?
that man fouled the shit out of me. Oh, shit. Oh, I threw it too hard. My fault, G.
He thinking he Tay.
Damn, from deep.
Ref.
From deep? Huh? I know, that's why I didn't go for it.
Yeah.
Nah, my fault. my fault, bro.
No, yeah. You want to play 15 or let it go to... We can do 15 or let it go to 12. We just play the rest.
Come on, Toy.
Yeah.
What? Hell yeah.
Bucket? Bro, you missing what the hell Tay doing. This is what we're talking about. This motherfucker, he's done his crazy shit.
All right.
Me?
Oh, my. Oh, shit. That's you.
I've been a little worried about
Try what?
I'm just slow.
OG in there.
But we only got 2 games like this are easy. The rest are going to be hard.
So like that's
Oh, shit. Damn, he got me. No, he got me. Damn, he got me. Oh, hey, Tay, let me see this shit.
I wanted to kill him. I genuinely wanted him to.
That's the thing. I can do it. Oh, fuck.
I seen him play.
I can't hold on that hole.
He good too.
Yeah.
Right, Jalen?
Hey,
I played ball in high
Told
school.
me to play for him. He asked me to.
He said the same shit with me last year.
I had no intention of even. I was gonna play, but I was gonna do free agent like I did. He's like, no. Jordan Montana
get swollen, bro. At least I did. And I was like, Brandon, we are the same person.
Shit, okay. Tay, I was waiting on. I said you.
Me, you, Jalen, and Mari.
Number 3.
I think you had 5. I remember that last year. Y'all had somebody came in and played for like 5. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hey. Yo, give me that, twin. Give me that.
Hey!
He off, bro.
That's off.
He off, bro.
That's yours. I'll see.
Go on, go on.
You better shoot the hoe. Shoot that bitch.
Damn. Damn, gang.
That's my fault.
Hey! Come on, gang. Yeah. Come on.
That ball heavy.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let me get 2. Let me get 2. We good, we good. We good. Uh-oh. Oh!
Again, all the steals.
I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling.
How you getting?
I'm not really trying to score right now. Miami catching these fouls, though. That was good at throw, huh? That was good at throw, huh? Yeah.
One of y'all gotta get off. Golly.
Who got on?
That's what I'm saying.
Hell no.
That would be crazy. You found the fuck out you, though. Yeah. Get him. Damn, bro. I thought you was supposed to do something. You call that nigga Marshmallow? Ain't no call, bro. You better keep playing. Get up. What you doing, gang? Hey, if you don't take that bucket, bro.
I'm sharing the route.
Get the bucket, bro.
You're right. I'll start. Here.
Straight?
Yeah.
Go over one.
Nah, for real.
Shit.
I believe you for a second.
I thought y'all had the free throw for some reason.
We fucking these niggas up. That's what we've been doing the whole game.
Here.
Hold on. Yeah, we ain't coming down. How long? Oh, my white boy. Come on, white boy.
I got the mic now.
shit. I watch.
Go ahead, finish this shit. Nigga, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Got you. That shit was nasty, bro.
Right here.
Yeah.
What team you on?
Hey, go get him, bro. They gave him a tag, bro. Come on. I'm finna get big, bro. I'm finna get Marshmallow. I got you, bro. I got you. We don't got a cap.
If you keep showing,
Yeah. I got you, bro. Come on. Come on.
Damn, bro, even get in for 2 seconds.
Get somebody. Get somebody.
Say you get 3 bucks coming out.
I'm right here. Or not here. Take him. I'll get him.
5 and 5. You miss every layup. You wide open. Hit the motherfucker.
I'm chilling, bro. I'm gonna let them do what they do.
How the hell is he?
Shit, I ain't know. Ah, damn. Damn. Hey. Oh my God. Nah, he off.
still no ball from nobody that's real wide like that. Because they body is so wide. It's like
Hey, go ahead.
cardboard box. You can't
Guys,
get around them.
that's why on number 5 I kept going
you-
behind
you-
him.
you coming in?
So no way he can get it.
All right. Let's shoot. Let's shoot.
Now they just shooting it.
He ain't coming for me, bro.
Shoot it.
I got my assist. I got my assist.
Call timeout.
My assist.
I think we call timeout. Me? Where the ref at?
Oh yeah, good D,
Oh, no,
bro.
we got ball. We got ball.
Uh-oh.
Well, we can't call timeout unless we got ball.
Give me one. Oh, shit. The hell we doing? Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Oh.
We just playing around now.
Oh, he off, bro. Huh? All right. Hey, damn.
Yeah. I saw that. I saw it.
Hey. You want fun? All right.
He right begging you shit, bro. Spin move.
Delay, what? Oh, you good. Hey, you good, bro.
Alright. Stop.
Come on, Tay. Come on, Tay. Hey! Get up there, gang. you
I
called
got
it.
one bucket. We do one more layup number.
Damn.
Yeah, I guess we should talk about lunch, guys.
All right, we got 63. We got 3 minutes.
Get an 80.
Yeah, we gotta try to get
It's over with.
Get 80.
Give me. It's over with. Let's go ahead and turn up, bro.
one more bucket. Yeah, they bucket.
It's us, man.
My bad.
It's them. You right.
W cameraman.
I get 8, bro.
W cameraman.
Nope.
Save it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get up. Hey. Hey. Tay.
You big ass don't dunk it.
Hey, everyone. I'm not even trying at this point, bro. I'm just trolling. Yeah, he up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we trolling. Give me 3.
Take over Tay. Take out like fucking 40 points.
Hey.
Grab the rim. Go basket.
Oh my God, they dick eating. They dick eating, chat.
Tay. Ball don't care. Pull fucking don't care.
Damn. Why they on
He going
his
in.
dick though?
He going in for you. Yeah. So we get another text. No, the team did.
We got 5.
5.
We got 5. Oh shit. I didn't even see him.
They ain't got no jersey.
Hey, y'all better not sub me up.
Put jersey on.
They got take.
Yeah. The rest of the one put that jersey on.
Man, what the fuck, bro?
So now we got 2 minutes.
Hell yeah, I'm trying to turn up the last 2 minutes.
Put the jersey on.
Huh?
He ain't shit.
It's blue ball? Who ball? Oh, it's they ball. Yeah. Hey, Chris. I get ball. Or no, you got it. Hold on. Oh. Damn.
He's right here, right here.
Ah, shit. Let him have it, bro. Let him have it. Damn. Alright, he's back. I'm cooling, bro.
What you got, about 30?
Come on.
Got all the buckets. Ugh. Straight way. Yeah, man. I wasn't trying to score at all. East Bay. Uh-oh. Hey, oh, shit. That nigga trying to murder niggas. Tay. Uh-oh. He trying to kill niggas, bro. Oh, for real.
4 times 50.
Carry on.
Hey, you got 19 seconds.
Hey, Tay.
Gotta do something else in 19 seconds.
Oh. Hey. Ah. Tay. One. Yes, sir. Good shit, bro. Good shit, OG. Good game, bro. Good game, bro. Hey, God.
told me that ball ain't heavy.
That ball for shooting. I hit like two. I hit like 2 middies. I hit like 2 middies. It wasn't that bad. I hit 2 middies and I had a layup. I was going to dunk it, but I ain't do it.
No, I thought you were about to take off on it there.
Nah, I was going to dunk it, but I ain't do it. All right, man. That's it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all boys in the next video. We out. Peace.
I been that nigga for real, I do this shit daily. None of this shit is a game, this shit is a gang. My nigga, just say when you ready. All of my niggas bring pain, you ready. Make sure you know how to aim, you ready. Pull out your fine J, hold it, shit steady. All them machines, we don't fuck with machetes.